Peach Cobbler Muffins are an easy take on a summer classic. The first step to making these peach cobbler muffins is to coat our diced peaches with flour. We do this to keep them separated and also to keep them suspended in the batter. We are going to add our whole eggs to the bowl along with our cream cake base. We will mix this on low speed for 1 minute. Then we will turn the mixer up to medium speed and mix for an additional 3 minutes. Then we'll scrape the bowl, add our water and oil, and mix it for an additional 3 minutes on low speed so that I don't get batter all over my work surface. Now I'm going to add our peach flour mixture to the batter. Mix until just combined. Today we are going to be using a crown muffin pan. Customers prefer the shape of a crown muffin over a regular muffin. First, we are going to spray the rim of each cavity with Bakery Essentials pan spray. Next, we'll line the pan. Now I'm going to scoop the batter with a number 8 gray scoop, or a 3.5 ounce portion. Next, I will top the muffins with diced peaches and then finish with streusel. Now we are going to bake the muffins at 350 degrees. Bake the muffins until golden brown and they spring back lightly when touched.